Hello guys, today I am going to find some toys in the wetland. Look at this, it's a big bus, a very beautiful big bus. Let's search. Wow, it's an excavator, a big excavator. It's very powerful. Let's go. Wow, here is the another one. It's a nice car. Look how beautiful it is. What's the next one? Wow, look at this. Here is another one. It's a dump truck. A big dump truck. We can carry heavy load. Let's see. What's the next one? Look at this. Guys, look what I have got. Wow, fantastic. It's a big car. A beautiful big car. So fascinating. Let's go for the next vehicle. Wow, look at this. It's a rocket launcher, a warhead vehicle. It's very big, a green color big warhead vehicle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.